Wow. Amazing, mama. Super. Best. It's melting, brother. See, finish.
Yeah, it's. Hello everyone, it's me Faruk Acar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you are good. Now we are going to my village. He is my friends. His name Uma.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm from India. Past 2 days I'm with Faruk. I'm very happy. Thank you for hosting me, man.
No problem.
And we become like a family and we become brothers.
Yeah.
And right now we are going to village. We are going to experience lot of things. We're going to share with you guys. Please like, share and subscribe.
Yes.
Please keep supporting us.
By the way, he is YouTuber also. I will put a description his channel link. You can subscribe and you can check.
Thank you. Today we are having wonderful experience because people always don't know about villages.
Yeah, absolutely.
How the village life is the best life.
Absolutely right. Absolutely.
And pure love. We get pure love from them.
Mm-hmm.
We don't know them, but they will give the pure love to us.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Guys, now we stop and we are really hungry and we will eat food and he want try Turkish food and we will try.
Really amazing, man. See how many dishes we are going to try. What do you call this one?
It's bread and
Chicken
and bulgur like rice.
Yeah, nice, man.
Yeah.
And this one is very spicy, right?
Yes, it's one very spicy.
What do you call this one? Can you show this one?
Yeah, this one is really spicy.
Okay.
But other things is really good.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Chicken, mutton, we are trying lamb,
Absolutely.
and liver. Many
Yeah.
things we are trying.
Absolutely.
I'm going to be amazed. అక్కడ గొర్రెలు చూసామండి, చూడొచ్చు. కరెక్ట్గా చిట్ట చివరి నుంచి ఉన్నాయి. అది కూడా అది చూడండి, చిట్ట చివరి నుంచి మేస్తుంది.
Now we came to Valley and we are looking and here is really awesome. Here's name is Tasharan Valley. It's really awesome. Look at that. Yeah, here is looking awesome.
Good brother, very nice, amazing, huh?
Yeah, did you like
Really
it?
beautifully formed, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. Like art, right? Like
Exactly.
yeah,
Water formations.
absolutely. Look, this guy just follow me. Yeah. Guys, now we came to a second valley. Here is canyon. Here's really big canyon in the Turkey. Here is Ulubek Canyon, and yeah, I show you before in my video here. Here is really big canyon. Did you like it, bro?
It's beautiful, really massive.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
really big and it's really good view.
Yes, amazing also.
Yeah.
Are you scared? It's amazing, really, yes. Very scared. Here, little, very scared.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
show you today interesting things like jumpy like that. It's special for Turkey and it is grape. Yeah, I know it's grape is not interesting. I know, but we are making for a special sauce for winter from grape. It is really interesting. I will show you. First, I'm late, okay? I come late and my mom's ready cooking right now, but I will show you routine, how you making, okay? Look, this is gram and putting into there, okay? Later put there and later we are come here and pushing, pushing. Later gram juice is coming there, okay? Later we taking there, we taking. I will show you. Wait. And this one is grape juice. Look, this is grape juice.
Ölmeyince donmayacak ya.
Faruk,
Ha.
seninle tutabiliriz geliyor.
Bak.
Kameranı bak.
Let me help.
Wait.
Rüzgar. Buradan bir şey yap.
Buradan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yavaş yavrum aman. Oh,
Oh.
tamam.
İyi. Sağ ol.
Tamam.
Look, this is grape juice and
And I'm eating grapes. Hi guys.
yeah.
Amazing taste.
Later we are putting inside soil. This is soil. Look. And we are putting on the fire. Look, fire. And we are waiting for cook. Maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. Later we are putting there and later we will clean the soil. We will clean. Later we will put again there and we will wait 5 hours, 6 hours. Later we can eat. Yeah. Look guys, grape is coming there and look, too much. This is for eating. And we have a lot of grapes and we are cooking for winter and we can eat in the winter. Yeah. It's my favorite things in the winter because in the morning I'm eating and I feel strong and hot. It's super good for winter. I will show you finally, okay? My mom and my neighbor is cooking and I am helping them. My neighbors give cucumber and it's super good.
Very tasty, bro. I'm still not had, but I'm feeling that it's going to be good taste.
Absolutely, I'm
Let
eating.
me taste.
He's busy. It's easy version, you know.
Mmm.
Just eat.
Perfect. Very tasty.
Yeah, it is.
Nasıl? Güzel mi buralar?
Hadi bekle.
Here is good.
Yeah. Perfect.
Güzel.
I love here.
Burayı beğendim diyor, bayıldım diyor.
Is there any girl I can marry?
Burada diyor herhangi bir kız var mı diyor, evlenebilir miyim diyor.
Çok.
Very, too much.
Daha çok kız yalnız.
Your country has a lot of girls.
I like Turkish girl.
Ben Türk kızlarını seviyorum diyor.
Öyle mi?
Yeah.
Ben de sizin oraların kızını çok seviyorum. Güzel.
Ben I love your girls. I love your girls.
ఇప్పుడే నన్ను అడుగుతున్నారు ఇక్కడ ప్రాంతం
Para
అంతా.
çok mu para?
You have money?
Yeah, I have money. Yes, I have money.
O zaman çok kız.
Okay, we have a lot of girls for you. Okay. If
Yeah,
you have
nice,
money.
కషికుల్లా. అదే అడుగుతున్నారు ఇంటికి ఇక్కడ బాగా.
I did show yesterday. We was cooking a pekmez and afternoon tomorrow. Yeah, right now it's cooked and I will show you. We will try with my mom. It is looking like that. This is pekmez and it is like jump, but it's not real jump, of course. Look. Like water, but it's not. This is my favorite drinks for winter. It's awesome. It's strong and it's super sweet. It's best, like honey, and my favorite. It's good. Guys, now we are waiting for Pekmez, but it's cook 5 hours. It will cook 5 hours, and now I will show you something. Hey, pisi, pisi, pisi, pisi. Anyway, look at guys. This my mom this morning prepared this. This is a tomato sauce. Yeah, for winter. Yeah, we have a lot of tomato, and she prepared for winter. It's really good. Tomato sauce. A lot of.
Hoş geldin abi.
Hoş bulduk.
కూడా చెప్పారు ఏదో 2 letters వర్డ్ మళ్ళీ మీరు కామెంట్ చేయండి తప్పకుండా అదేంటనేది. Good one.
Yeah.
How are you, brother?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Furkan
Furkan.
Acar.
Furkan Azar అంటే వారి పేరు వచ్చి what you used to do? Study? Education? School?
Okul mu okuyorsun diye.
Yeah.
Which try చేద్దాం.
Yeah, you can work. Push. Just push.
This one, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, amazing.
Be careful.
Really? Back or front? Gears are back or front?
What?
Back side. Gear back side?
On.
Front?
Yeah, there. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect, man.
I get. I'm good. Okay.
Okay.
Go.
Hey, really amazing.
Now we came to my village, and I'm feeding animals, and he taking video.
Village life.
Yeah, village life. Yeah.
Extraordinary. Really extraordinary, guys. You must visit this place.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Turkish
really.
villages are amazing.
Yeah, it is.
And people are very nice. They're treating me like a own son and own brother.
Yeah, absolutely.
Clear, crystal clear. They don't even know me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. Just giving grab.
Exactly. Everything.
cucumber. Yeah.
Everyone must visit this place.
Absolutely. Village life is best.
Yes.
Okay, I have to feed animals. Go,
Yeah.
go, go. And later, feed the animals finish. We will eat and we will rest. Today was a really long day. I drive long way. Yeah, it was hard, dude. He's all time is sleep.
I'm sitting and relaxing, sleeping.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Week you can learn when you watch movies. I learn like that only. Really. I not learn from school, my English. I learn from people like you speaking and watching many English movies, Hollywood movies. I learned like that.
I not yet reading.
But watch movies, you learn very quick. When you watch movies, very quick you learn. I learn like that only. From movies. Movies with subtitles. Subtitles. I read subtitles.
Oh, okay, I will.
Yeah. Easy.
Learn speak English.
Yes.
Okay.
Faruk is not doing anything.
Faruk da hiçbir şey yapmıyor diyor.
Faruk is not doing anything. Huh? He's standing there. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Bırakın. Sen çok
Lazy. He's lazy.
easy, yeah.
Lazy guy.
Yeah.
That's what. Very hard work, brother.
Yeah.
You're doing very hard work. Good. You are helping your mom. Very
Yeah,
proud.
Yeah.
Good. పోస్టింగ్ పడతారంటండి దూడకి. Okay, would you like to join?
Yeah, why not? Okay. We are feeding baby cows and he's really hungry. Yeah. Hi guys, now we are eating dinner together and we have gas of course. My mom cook some food for us.
From India.
Yeah. Of course. And we have rice, salad and vegetable things and we will eat.
I'm
Okay.
tasting right
Okay.
now. Mama, I'm tasting.
Try it.
Wow. Amazing. Mama. Super. Best. It's melting, brother. See, finish.
Yeah.
It's melting.
Mhm.
Just like that. Amazing and
Softy, right?
amazing food. Really amazing. I feel like my mother
Really?
cooked.
Wow. Annem gibi hissettim diyor yemeği diyor.
Best mama, very best. I love this food. Chicken,
Sen
rice.
İzmir geldin, ben buranın yanında çok bakan sana.
When you come to
Gel.
Izmir, I will cook for you. When
Thank you,
I will
mama.
go.
Ha. Or çok pişiren gelende.
Yeah, yeah.
Good morning, buddy. Hey. Bro. Good morning.
Oh, good morning, brother.
How are you?
Good. Cold.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yes.
Let's do the breakfast.
Yes.
Wake up.
Yeah.
Now I took grabs for Izmir. Yeah, look at that. I take right now. There. Now I am taking grabs for Izmir. Now I'm going to Izmir and my mom preparing for my Izmir house. Look. Grapes, tomato, melon, metermelon, and tomato sauce, and something like that. Yeah, I will go to Izmir, and yeah, we are going. Yeah. Did you like the village?
Amazing, brother. Really, people are amazing. I never believed the Turkish people took care of me like this. Really.
Yeah,
It's
I surprised too.
This is also a lifetime experience to me
Uh-huh.
because how we met. See, this is a destiny. Destiny brought here.
Yeah, yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
You don't know about me, I don't know about you, but we trust each other.
Absolutely,
And
absolutely.
the bonding was more stronger, become more stronger.
Yeah,
I'm glad here.
yeah, me too.
And we become good family also, really,
Yeah.
forever. It's amazing place, really. Turkey must visit.
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely.
And
Okay.
his mom take care of me like a own son.
Yes.
I can't believe.
All the time, eat.
Exactly. Not only eating, and she showed me lots of love
Of course,
on
yeah.
me. Yes. Took care of me like great human beings.
What's your favorite part on the village?
I love mom. That's it. I love mom.
It's good.
And her food, amazing. The
It's
best.
good.
She's the best cook.
Yeah, mom cook is always good. you know.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, bro. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Always.
Yeah.
We are leaving the village and I'm finished the video here. If you liked this video, don't forget subscribe and like. I love you so much. Take care.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
guys. Love
Thank
you
you.
all.
Bye bye. Hi guys, now we came to Acar bus station and he's going to other city. He travel continue to Turkey. Yeah.
Yeah, brother, I'm very happy, bro. Really, mom took care of me like
Yeah,
a own,
absolutely.
and she loved me a lot, and I also love her so much.
Yeah, you are best. You are kind.
Exactly.
You are really good traveler.
And we'll be in touch, and we will
yeah, of
wherever.
course,
Please
of course.
welcome to India. You
I
love
will.
so much in India.
I hope I will try Indian food. I
Yeah,
want this.
Exactly.
Okay, buddy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.